Hello children, welcome to you all. In this video, we are going to learn 8th standard mathematics chapter 13 practical geometry topic construction of quadrilaterals. Today, we are going to cover the topic constructing a quadrilateral with 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Construction of quadrilaterals. In construction of quadrilaterals, we will learn how to construct a quadrilateral. We know that a quadrilateral has 10 parts in all, 4 sides, 4 angles and 2 diagonals. To construct a quadrilateral, we shall need data about 5 specified parts of it. We divide the required quadrilateral into 2 triangles which can be easily constructed. These 2 triangles together will form a quadrilateral. Dear children, in previous class you have learned to construct a quadrilateral given 4 sides and 1 diagonals. Today class you are going to learn about how to construct a quadrilateral given 3 sides and 2 diagonals. Now let us move to exercise sum. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that AB equal 5 cm, BC equal 6 cm, DC equal 5.5 cm, AC equal 4 cm and BD equal 10 cm. First we have to write given measurement. Sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Side AB 5 cm, side BC equal 6 cm, side DC equal 5.5 cm. Diagonals of the quadrilateral of ABCD. Diagonal AC equal 4 cm, diagonal BD equal 10 cm. Now we draw a rough sketch of the quadrilateral ABCD. Draw AB 5 cm. Draw AC and BC. AC 4 cm, BC 6 cm. Next draw BD and join CD and AD. BD is 10 cm and CD is 5.5 cm. Now from the rough diagram see. First step, draw AB equal 5 cm. Using ruler, draw 5 cm line segment. Mark the point A and B. Write AB is 5 cm. Second step, now we draw diagonal AC equal 4 cm. Using ruler and compass, take 4 cm radius with A as center. Draw an arc above the segment AB. Third step, we draw the line segment BC equal 6 cm. Again using ruler and compass, take 6 cm radius with B as center. Draw another arc above the segment AB to cutting the previous arc. Name that point C. Next step, using ruler. Now join A and C. You get segment AC. AC is 4 cm. Now join B and C. You get the segment BC. BC is 6 cm. With this, the first triangle is constructed. Let's start with next step. Now we draw diagonal BD equal 10 cm. Using ruler and compass, taking 10 cm radius with B as center, draw an arc above the segment AB. Next step, we draw the side CD equal 5.5 cm. Now using ruler and compass, take 5.5 cm radius with C as center, draw another arc above the segment AB to cut the previous arc. Name that point D. Now join BD, CD and AD. Now join B and D. You get the segment BD 10 centimeter. Now join C and D. You get the segment CD 5.5 centimeter. Now join AD and you get the segment AD. Here ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now we write steps of construction. First step, draw AB equal 5 centimeter. Second step, with A center and a radius equal to 4 centimeter, draw an arc. Third step, with B center and a radius equal to 6 centimeter, draw another arc, cutting the first arc at C. Fourth step, join AC and BC. Fifth step, with BS center and radius equal to 10 centimeter, draw an arc. Sixth step, with CS center and radius equal to 5.5 centimeter, draw another arc, cutting the first arc at D. Seventh step, join BD, CD and AD. Then ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now let us move to next question. Construct a quadrilateral ABCD given that AB equal 5.8 cm, BC equal 5.5 cm, DC equal 5 cm, AC equal 5 cm and BD equal 8.5 cm. Now we have to write given measurement. Sides of the quadrilateral ABCD. Side AB equal 5.8 cm, side BC equal 5.5 cm, side DC equal 5 cm. Next, diagonals of the quadrilateral ABCD. Diagonal AC equal 5 cm and diagonal BD equal 8.5 cm. Now, we have to draw a rough diagram. AB, AC and BC. Now, we draw BD, CD and AD. Mark the point and write the dimensions. Now we draw main diagram. First step, draw AB equal 5.8 cm. Using ruler, mark the point. Draw 5.8 cm line segment. Name that point A and B. Write the measurement 5.8 cm. Second step, draw diagonal AC equal 5 cm. Using a ruler and compass, take a 5 cm radius with AS center, draw an arc above the segment AB. Next step, now we draw the line segment BC equal 5.5 cm. Again using ruler and compass. Take a 5.5 cm radius with BS center, draw another arc above the segment AB to cutting the previous arc. Name that point C. Now join AC and BC using the ruler. Join A and C, you get the segment AC. Now join B and C, you get the segment BC. Write the given measurement. AC is 5 cm and BC is 5.5 cm. With this, our first triangle is ready. Let us start with next step. We draw diagonal BD equal 8.5 cm. Using ruler and compass, take 8.5 cm radius with BS center. Draw an arc above the segment AB. Now we draw side CD equal 5 cm. Again using ruler and compass, take a 5 cm radius with CS center. Draw another arc above the segment AB to cutting the previous arc. Name that point D. Last step, join BD, CD and AD. Now join B and D, you get the segment BD. Next join C and D, you get the segment CD. Now join A and D, get the segment AD. So AB is 5.8 centimeter, BC is 5.5 centimeter, CD is 5 centimeter, BD is 8.5 centimeter, then AC is 5 centimeter. Thus, ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Now we write steps of construction. First step, draw AB equal 5.8 centimeter. Second step, with A center and a radius equal to 5 centimeter, draw an arc. Third step, with the BS center and a radius equal to 5.5 centimeter, draw another arc cutting the first arc at C. Fourth step, join AC and BC. Fifth step, with the BS center and radius equal to 8.5 centimeter, draw an arc. Sixth step, with the CS center and radius equal to 5 centimeter, draw another arc cutting the first arc at D. Seventh step, join BD, CD and AD. Then ABCD is the required quadrilateral. Thank you children.